Here's how I got myself to stop caring about what other people thought of me. This simple realization that nobody knows you is like enough. Like that should be enough for you to never, ever, ever care. Nobody knows you, not even the person that gave birth to you. You know, it's really only your creator that knows who you are. This is freedom. That's freedom, because you don't get caught up in, oh, like, what will this person think? Like, what? Then you're literally basing your life on like their supposed perception, which you can't even fully comprehend or understand. Like, you will never even know what other people are thinking of you. It's like caring about what the weather will be like 10 months from now and like basing your outfit on like that premise. Like, that's bullshit. That makes no logical sense, you know? So like, in the same way, we can never care about what other people think, because they could be thinking about any fucking thing in the world. Mostly, people's thoughts are not censored at all. People don't take the time to groom their thoughts carefully, you know? People don't take the time to excavate their thoughts, to heal their thoughts, to heal the subconscious mind, and then carefully plant intentional thoughts within it. People don't take the time to do that unless they're really on the healing journey or the healing path from a very long time already, you know? Or like they're really dedicated to doing that, you know? But like the general population, hell no. Like, absolutely not. People don't do that, you know? So like, if you're stopping yourself from doing something that you feel like you are being called to do, your calling, that's why it's called your calling, your purpose, or something that you really want to do, your soul is bringing you there, if you're stopping yourself from doing that, like, there's no hope for you, like, seriously, you know, because only you can break yourself out of that illusion. It's illusory, you know? There's no, like, there's no set in stone logic to that at all. So that's how I got myself to stop caring about what other people really thought of me. And it stems from self-acceptance and self-love that comes from a whole other dimension. Like, it's not from this plane, because it comes from literally recognizing the soul, which is like already one with the creator. It's already there, you know? So literally it's self-love from another dimension. It has nothing to do with how you look, like how you're gonna be perceived by people. Like, fuck that. Like, literally none of that matters at all. The second that you get over yourself and get over that, you'll be able to use your ego for the results that you want to procure in your life. This is magic. That's what it means to be a true magician, in a way.